Chime SpotMe is a feature offered by Chime, a digital banking platform that allows eligible account holders to overdraft their accounts without incurring traditional overdraft fees. Here's how it works. Eligibility. Chime determines eligibility for SpotMe based on factors such as account history, direct deposit frequency, and other criteria. Not all Chime members are automatically enrolled in SpotMe. Overdraft coverage. Once enrolled, eligible Chime members can overdraft their accounts up to a predetermined limit. The overdraft limit varies depending on factors like account activity and direct deposit frequency. No fees. Unlike traditional banks that charge overdraft fees, Chime does not charge any fees for using SpotMe. This means you won't incur any additional charges for overdrawing your account within your approved limit. Repayment. When your account balance becomes positive again, Chime automatically deducts the overdrafted amount plus any applicable fees from your next direct deposit. There are no fixed repayment terms or deadlines, but it's important to replenish your account balance promptly. Limit adjustments. Chime may adjust your SpotMe limit over time based on your account activity and other factors. Regular direct deposits and responsible account management may lead to higher overdraft limits.